Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. The repentance at the brutality of the conquest led him to embrace Buddhism. Full stop. He undertook a 256-day pilgrimage to holy places of Buddhism in North India. Full stop. From that point, comma, Ashoka, comma, who had been described as inverted comma the cruel Ashoka inverted comma bracket Chand Ashoka bracket started to be described as inverted comma the pious Ashoka inverted comma bracket Dharmashoka bracket full stop. He propagated the Vigajavada school of Buddhism and preached it within his domain and worldwide from about 250 BC. Full stop. Paragraph change. Emperor Ashoka, comma, undoubtedly, comma, has to be credited with the first serious attempt to develop a Buddhist policy. Full stop. He built thousands of stupas and viharas for Buddhist followers bracket about 84,000 such monuments were built bracket full stop. The stupas of Sanchi are world famous and the stupa named Sanchi Stupa was built by Emperor Ashoka full stop during the remaining period of Ashoka's reign, comma, he pursued an official policy of non-violence called ahimsa, full stop. The unnecessary slaughter of animals was immediately abolished, full stop. Moreover, comma, rest houses were built throughout the empire to house, travelers and pilgrims free of charge, full stop. Egalitarianism became a norm for the society, full stop. Slavery was non-existent in ancient India, full stop. Ashoka amalgamated Buddhism with material issues of concern, comma, thus fulfilling Buddha's wish of elevation of people's sufferings, full stop, to that effect, comma, Ashoka had wells dug, comma, irrigation canals and roads constructed, full stop, other than rest houses, comma, he also built hospitals, comma, gardens and plantations of herbs, full stop. Paragraph change to propagate his faith, comma, the great Ashoka, who believed in inverted comma dharma, inverted comma, built many edicts, full stop. The Ashoka pillar at Sarnath is the most popular relic left by him, full stop, made of sandstone, comma, it records the visit of the emperor to Sarnath in the 3rd century BC, full stop. It has a 4-lion capital, comma, which was adopted as the emblem of modern Indian Republic, full stop. Ashoka ruled for an estimated 40 years, comma, bracket 273 BC to 232 BC, bracket, and after his death, comma, the Maurya dynasty lasted just 50 more years, full stop. But Ashoka's greatest legacy is the first written language in India, full stop, rather than Sanskrit, comma, the language used for inscription was one of the current spoken form called Prakrit, full stop, stop.